Alright, welcome back guys. Long time no see. It's been a while since we did a vlog. This is today's a very special day for all the fathers out there, and also of course for me. Happy Father's Day to me as well. And then today, on top of that,
Happy Father's
Day.
Day.
Thank you. And we've got Marson. Marson is graduating today, so big congrats to Mars.
Yeah, congrats to Mars.
So we're gonna take you guys on today's celebration ceremony, and then hope you guys like the video. Once again, thank you guys for your support, and we'll see you guys on the next clip. Okay,
Right.
Peace out. Oh, look at this, brothers. They're taking a picture before this guy walks the stage today.
Alright guys, this is Mars waiting to get in the stadium. Alright guys, Marson's coming out. He's right there. Oh, let's go Mars! Oh yeah. Let's go. Here's Mars. Over there. Let's go. Congrats, Mars.
Very good, Mars. Good job, Mars. Let's go, Mars!
What do you gotta say? What do you gotta say?
Hey,
What do you gotta say, boy?
You did it, man.
Alright. Look at the gang, look at the gang, look at the gang, look at the gang. Yes, sir.
Sign up.
Yes, sir. What up, yo?
Hold it.
Congratulations! Hey, wait a
So there you go, guys. That's the typical Chuukese, Micronesian or Pacific Islander way of celebrating graduation. Look at that. Look at all that candy. Good sign of diabetes. Okay, Austin is taking live. Look at all this cousins, and mommy is so proud and happy and excited.
That's what I'm saying. Like, what if they didn't do that? I would have been so mad.
That's why I was trying not to be like for talking. Like I could be like, oh, felicidades, señora. Oh my God, hola, ¿cómo estás?
Up, and hold still.
Hey. Yo, no.
Can't even see his eyes.
You can't even see the eyes. Go.
First of all, go ahead.
Go ahead, you can go ahead over there.
Wow, that's cool.
Thank you. Look at the reaction. Yeah, go ahead, go ahead, go in. move in a little bit if you want. That's fine. Hey, congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Happy Father's Day.
Father's Day.
I'm just up here because I want to thank God because I graduated today. I want to thank you for inviting me to one of these classrooms.
Thank you, Morris. Thank you, Marson. Thank you.
And there must be a reason why they skip out on church and make food, so really, and are we take over? So, wat moest je dan voor ons zeggen? Bedankt, Jeremy.
Tiro. Tiro.
Yo, they made food for you. Dads. Happy Father's Day. Here, Kevin, and congratulations to Mars and Chuukese once again. I think this is the main reason why these ladies prepare the food. As cepat besok ini gue keren. Ya bisa merap. Betul ini gue kasih
Tiro. Tiro.
Dan kita baru itu pun.
Sobre as cabeças de suas maridos serão escutas. Sobre a filha de estar querer saber o que necessita. Kiri. Terus keharapan, awasi, kirisukun, kirisukun kota, tuli, remeli, buat kirisuk, ada, baru putih baru, kirisuk ini mesam, apa itu baru putih, oke, jasa curi. Ya, macam apa sah kirisuk. Ayo kita beri sesuatu kita. Kita, mari kita cakap. Hari berbuat sesuatu. Yeah. Mars and CC, I don't know your plan, but if you understand what was just said, or Grandpa just said, I think we all agree. We want you to continue, and we're hoping that you want to continue your education, further your education. And you made us all proud. You made us happy. You make the family happy. I notice on Facebook how many people.
Very good kara angkau nefirat acekwan seberat krisuk saya pasal Malaysia ini lagi krisuk
So Chuukese Pakren and Marson, congratulations Miri, CC Marson, Nachik Pat Kirisuk.
Вот, разговор, весь пансион, где-то положитесь.
So what do you want to raise? Kirisuk Pakren, any good for this to get it? Nachik Kirisuk.
I want to say thanks to the Lord for this day today. We're all here together. And also congrats to my brother Marson and Sissy. Thankful for and happy you guys graduated. You guys one step closer. Thank you.
Marson and Sissy, congratulations. And also happy Father's Day. That's it.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Happy Father's Day. And congrats to Mars. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
You want to say bye?
Just like and subscribe. Yeah.
What?
Bye.
You're not even in the frame. You're like,
Yeah.
it's like and subscribe, but it's not even in the frame. So that's Elston. What do you think about today? What are your thoughts about today's, or what happened today?
It was fun. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you happy that you're finally able to see your cousins again?
Yeah, and I'm gonna sleep over at their house.
When?
Thursday.
Who said you can't? You haven't even asked me and you're like, I'm gonna sleep over. Alright guys, so we want to thank you guys for watching our video today. We hope to see you guys once again. Thank you again. This is the end of the video. Everybody's just having a great time. Happy Father's Day to all the people out there, all the dads out there, fathers. Happy Father's Day to you. And also, once again, congratulations to Marson and Cece. We're very proud of you guys. Thank you for your achievement and your commitment and your dedication to school. Keep at it. All right, thank you guys. Peace. Boom.